Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Mila and this channel is mainly about traveling, and actually just in a few days we're gonna leave for a 3-week trip around Europe with my boyfriend, and after a week of traveling we're gonna meet up with two of our friends along the way in Venice and continue the trip with them. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you probably know that I really enjoy to make travel videos and packing videos. So in today's video I'm gonna show you what I'll be bringing for a 3-week trip around Europe, and as usual I am only traveling carry-on only, and I'm gonna be bringing my Osprey Farpoint 40 with me. So it's this backpack. I've been traveling with this backpack for a couple, maybe 2-3 years now. I really love it, and yeah, this is my main travel backpack. And besides my Osprey backpack, I will be bringing my Fjällräven Konken day bag, which is going with me as well on this trip. And here I'll be carrying with me all my camera gear and probably my laptop. I think I will be bringing my laptop instead of my iPad, but let's see, I haven't decided on that yet. But yeah, this will be my day bag and also my personal item on the flight. So without further ado, let's get into the packing. Okay, I have everything that I will be bringing with me laid on this floor here, as you can see. And yeah, let's start off with clothing. So for clothing I will be wearing on the plane this tank top, this black tank top, and this pair of flowy striped pants. Kind of shorter pants, but still. So in total I have 6, 7 tops and t-shirt. This black strappy top. Then I have one black t-shirt, one white tank top, two crop tops, one like this orange and one black, and I also have a cropped t-shirt. So that's all of my tops and t-shirts. Then for bottoms, well, I have these pants, and I have one flowy and fun skirt, a pair of these shorts, and one pair of sport shorts. So that's all of my bottoms. And then I also have one dress for fancier occasions, if there would be any such. And this is also very nice because this dress is very flowy and thin material, so when we're in Southern Europe it doesn't get too hot with this dress. And I also have one pajama set, so I have one t-shirt and one pair of shorts. So let's see, I should be, oh yeah, and I also have this knitted cardigan, black, a bit longer, and this long sleeve, just like a sweater thing. So these should all fit in this packing cube. So I have 2 packing cubes from Eagle Creek. I really enjoy them because they're very thin and seem to be very good material as well. And besides that, they're also compression cubes, so at least they should be, but I tend to pack these too full, so then they won't compress, but they have this compression zipper. So yeah, let's see. I have quite a lot of clothes for this one packing cube, so let's see if I can fit them all. And by the way, I really like to roll my things, so I usually roll everything that I put into the packing cubes. Just like a FYI. I think I will just put this outside of the packing cubes. Ooh, this compresses. Wow. Well, that was surprisingly smooth. So here I have all of my clothings. All my clothing is in here. I have, what do I have? I have 1, 2, 3. I have 6 tops and tank tops, and then some bottoms, 1 dress, so that's pretty good. And then I have 1 cardigan here, but this will go outside because, you know, it's still nice to have this like easily reachable if I get cold on the plane or something like that. In here I have all of my my bikinis and my underwear and 5 pairs of socks. So I have 2 pairs, like 2 sets of bikinis, so 2 bikini tops and 2 bikini bottoms. As I said, 5 pairs of socks, and then I'll be bringing like 7 to 10 pairs of underwear, but I still need to do some laundry before the trip. So yeah, but that goes all in here. Then as well, I also have this Turkish hammam towel or Turkish towel, and what I really enjoy about this is that it's a full-size towel, and it's also really pretty, but it folds down very small. So I really enjoy bringing these on my trips because I don't really like those microfiber towels. I don't think they're really comfortable. They don't usually, like, I just don't like them, even though they can be even smaller, but this one is just fine for me. So as you can see, it doesn't take up too much space, it's quite tiny. And then I also have this very small like face towel thing, just because I use like a facial cleanser which is like oil based, and then after I use it I like to use a facial towel kind of just to rub everything off my face. And by the way, sorry guys, the light in here is changing all the time. It seems like the sun and the clouds just can't decide if it's gonna be sunny or cloudy, so I apologize for that, but hopefully you're still enjoying the video. Then I also have 1 cap. I really like this one. It's from Patagonia and I just think it's super cute and fun. Okay, so for shoes, I will actually be bringing 3 pairs of shoes. So that someone can think that's a lot, but I'm gonna explain why. So for shoes, I have these sneakers and these sandals, and then just a pair of like running shoes, because we're gonna do some hikes and maybe some like via ferrata climbing, so I will be needing some like sportier shoes for that. And these are quite bulky, so I think I will be wearing these on the plane or see if I can pack them. But otherwise I actually have 2 pairs of barefoot shoes. Like these are the minimalist barefoot shoes, so these really don't take up like any space. You can get this really small, and these sandals as well. So I used to bring my Birkenstocks with me, and I really like to wear my Birkenstocks, but they just take up so much space in my bag. So I wanted to find something that are like good sandals, but for like that don't take up so much space. So I actually just purchased these from Zero Shoes. These are the Zero Shoe Z Trail Ev, maybe? I think these are gonna be really good for traveling because, as I said, they take up so little space. They're very flat, and I've really been enjoying to use my barefoot sneakers, so these will be good, I think. But yeah, this is the first trip I'm taking these on, so let's see if I'll be missing my Birkenstocks or not, but hopefully I'll be just fine with these. One thing I forgot to mention for clothing, I will try to pack with me this Mac in a sack. This is a raincoat, and as you can see it folds very small. This is kind of a fun color. This is actually the color of the raincoat. But yeah, I just think this will be good to have in case it's raining. I still want to go like do some sightseeing and stuff, then it's good to have a raincoat or maybe an umbrella, but let's go with the raincoat this time. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to pack my sneakers in the bag. So I usually put the shoes in like just plastic bags or use like a shower cap or something like that. But I'm gonna do the plastic bag this time. and then I will also be packing my sandals, and because I do want to wear these sneakers on the plane. I think this is the bulkiest item I have. This is my Peak Design tech pouch, which has all of my tech in it. So I have a bunch of like cords, cables and chargers and a power bank. My GoPro is in here, some ND filters for my camera. So yes, this is the bulkiest item I travel with, but I need it, so it's coming with me. Then I have my toiletry pouch, toiletries bag, whatever you want to call it. But in here I have everything that's not liquid, because I have all my liquids in a separate bag. So this clear bag that I can just take out for security, this has all of my liquids, this has all my non-liquids. I like to separate them before I go traveling. I have made a separate video for things that I have in my toiletries bag, and there I cover everything. So if you want to check that out, you should. I will link it up here so you can go and check that next. I always bring just this small foldable bag with me in case I need a bag of any sort. So I have a bunch of like random bits and pieces, so let's show these as well. So I have a hairbrush, I have some face masks if I need them. Like, I don't know, nowadays a lot of countries don't require you to wear face mask, but if we have a situation, it's good to have. I of course have my passport and my travel wallet. So usually I only use cards in my daily life, but when I'm traveling I like to have a wallet which also fits some cash and coins. I have 2 pairs of sunglasses, and I'll also be bringing my regular glasses in case I don't want to wear contacts. Of course I will have my Bose headphones. These are the best thing ever because they are noise cancelling, very comfortable, and yeah, I just love these. I have had these for years and I still love them. I have 1 chopstick and 1 like hair clothing. Of course I have my water bottle, as I always have. My stick, this is like a 3-folded stick for my GoPro, so you can use it as a selfie stick, as a tripod for the GoPro, and you can fold it down to be very small. So this is great for the GoPro. I will be bringing my big lens because we're gonna travel to some pretty places and I want to take pretty pictures and pretty videos. So this is the lens that I'm bringing. And I will also be bringing either my laptop or my iPad. I haven't really decided yet. Let's see, but either way, one of those things is going with me. And I also have a menstrual cup just in case. And that's everything. So let's see, I have packed pretty much all of the like bigger items. Oh yeah, and baby powder. So this is great if your thighs get sweaty and you're wearing like a dress or short shorts or a skirt, and you know, it's good for that. It's also good to have as like a dry shampoo thing because I have light hair or blonde hair, so it works just fine. So baby powder, just good to have. Then I also have just a pouch for dirty clothing. That's going with me as well. So in my konken I will be bringing, putting my laptop, my water bottle, my big lens. My GoPro stick will go in my bigger backpack. And I also have this bum bag which I like to bring. So I was thinking about bringing a crossbody bag, but then I realized during the days I'm going to bring my backpack, my Konken, because I like to bring my water bottle and my camera, and then otherwise I'll just use this one, so it's fine. So my wallet goes in my Konken, as well as my passport, my headphones, my brush goes in here, and my menstrual cup is going into my backpack. This one is going also in here. I don't know if I can fit my raincoat. I guess it's fine. Face masks go in my Konken as well. And my chopstick. Of course, I'll be bringing my phone, that goes in here as well. Yeah, my cap is Alright, everything is packed and ready to go. I have my Osprey Farpoint 40 here, so that's a 40-liter backpack, and I have my Konken backpack as well, and also my sneakers. That's pretty good. I have also my laptop and my phone. So now I have everything packed. I think I need to double check, and I'm ready to leave for our 3-week backpacking trip around Europe. So that's gonna be fun. I will be doing a lot of videos from there, from our trip, so stay tuned for those, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!